Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make green screen video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all we can create new project in CapCut. Just click on this new project option and then you can choose a video you want to make a green screen. For example, I'm going to make green screen video with this video. I'm going to click on it and then we can click on add to import this video to CapCut project, and then I'm going to remove the background of this video. I'm going to click on the video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active, and then we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the remove background option. And here you can choose the tool you want to use to remove the background of this video. You can select auto removal, custom removal, or chroma key, and I'm going to use this auto removal. Okay, and now the background has been removed, and I'm going to click on the check mark, and then we can go to the background section. Click on this background right here and then select the color, and you need to choose the green color since we want to make a green screen video. Okay, then click on this check mark, and this is the final result. Again, that's all the way to make a green screen video using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.